Hello, and I'm back again. So this is the setup that I'm doing to remove the bushing from the turbo. So I've already maxed out the space from this socket. So but I'm gonna show you. Okay, second. Just gonna remove this one first, and I'm going to move to a longer bolts. Okay, just like that. Okay. Okay. So these M8 bolts. The size is 100 mil. So the longer the better. So you can remove it. So if you can see that one. So maybe it already reached 100 mil. So it's coming out now. And from here, can't see it anymore because it's already inside the hole. So we need a socket like this that can go inside the hole when you're pushing it, when you're pulling it. Okay, now I'm moving to a different socket, a deeper one, to make sure that it's wider than the diameter of the bushing. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one again and put the washer and nut there. Oh, the only thing I want to point out right now also is, before you do this, you want to drill this hole using a 3mm bit, because there is a pin. You can see that one from the bushing. It already came out. So there is a pin, roll pin, inserted inside that hole after installing that bushing before. So yeah, it's around 30 millimeters deep from this surface of the hole. Okay, so as you can see the groove. Okay, the groove from that bushing. So you have to buy these roll pins. So I bought assorted ones, so I only need the 3mm size. And also look at the comparison. See, you can see the wear from this old piece. So it's very identical. So yeah, it's just different from the end, because it's going to sit flush on this thing with the bushing. So yeah, and that's the old and the new one. See, really bad condition from this, and this is the new one. And also, I don't know if I mentioned this reverse thread on this side I need to put it or insert it and then weld it to make it to just one piece. So again, this is a reverse thread. When you move it counter or clockwise, it goes up, and then counterclockwise it tightens or goes down. And the comparison, where is that end piece? One second, I just want to show you this. That's the new, and that's the old. So again, very identical size of the pin. So okay, and also when you're pulling out this bushing, this butane torch is just enough. So apply heat on this side and then do this setup. Okay, and then slowly tighten it, and then it will come out just like that. So I just need a deeper socket so it will come out totally. Okay, so this is the part 2.